Namaste. Depending on your location in Kathmandu, you'll need to take a local bus or a private vehicle to reach Bajrajogini Tree House. The trip may take about 2 to 3 hours depending on road condition or traffic. Once in Shakhu, you may need to ask locals for the specific direction to Tree House. It is often helpful to have the contact details or exact address of the destination. The tree house provides beautiful views of the surrounding hills, valleys, and greenery, making it an ideal spot for nature lovers. Set away from the hustle and bustle of urban areas, it offers soothing sounds of nature. Many tree houses include outdoor decks or terrace where you can relax, enjoy the view, and experience the nature. The surrounding natural environment might offer opportunities for observing local wildlife and bird species. Some tree houses emphasize sustainability with eco friendly practices and materials, contributing to an environmentally conscious stay. The structure of the tree house itself is often creatively designed, providing an unusual and memorable lodging experience.